All right, Apple fans, the wait is nearly over, and the excitement is reaching new heights as we gear up for what might be the biggest leap yet in the compact tablet world, the iPad mini 8. Every year, when rumors start circling around the next iPad mini, the community buzzes with curiosity, but this time, it feels different, more revolutionary than evolutionary. We're not just talking about another subtle refresh or a few minor tweaks. We're looking at what could be a completely reimagined iPad mini, something that blurs the line between portability and true pro-level performance. Apple seems ready to transform its smallest iPad into a compact powerhouse. And according to the latest reports, leaks, and insider whispers, this is shaping up to be one of the most exciting devices in the entire iPad lineup. The upcoming iPad mini 8, powered by Apple's brand new A19 Pro chip, could redefine how people see small tablets, bridging the gap between the convenience of mobility and the performance of top-tier Apple silicon. There's even talk of OLED display technology, extended battery life, AI-driven performance enhancements, Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, and possibly even new design aesthetics inspired by the iPad Pro series. For years, the Mini has been seen as the underdog in Apple's ecosystem, often overshadowed by the Air and the Pro, yet beloved by fans who value lightweight power. It's that one device that slips into your bag, rests in one hand, and still manages to handle everything from note-taking to content creation. Now, however, Apple seems poised to elevate it beyond expectations, potentially giving it the biggest upgrade in its history. So let's break down everything we know so far. The iPad mini 8 has been spotted in internal Apple code leaks, where references to devices powered by the A19 chipset were uncovered, and among them, identifiers matching the Mini stood out. Reports suggest Apple is testing multiple variants of the A19, a base model, a Pro version, and a Bend A19 Pro, the latter having one less GPU core for efficiency. It's this chip that's rumored to power the next iPad mini. If true, it means Apple is equipping the Mini with the same processing muscle as the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro, bringing console-grade gaming, high-end creative workflows, and enhanced AI tasks to a palm-sized device. The A19 Pro is said to be built on an upgraded 3nm process, offering better thermals, improved battery efficiency, and next-generation neural processing power. It's optimized for on-device AI, which will play a central role in iOS 19 and iPadOS 26. This means the Mini could perform tasks like live transcription, smart photo editing, and even AI-assisted video generation, all without relying on the cloud. Apple's focus on privacy and speed ensures these intelligent operations happen right on your device, making the iPad mini 8 a compact yet incredibly smart digital companion. Now, design-wise, we might be entering the OLED era for the iPad mini lineup. While previous models relied on LCD and Liquid Retina displays, leaks suggest that Apple is preparing to roll out OLED across its tablets, starting with the iPad Pro and eventually extending to the Mini by late 2025 or early 2026. An OLED iPad mini means deeper blacks, higher contrast ratios, improved power efficiency, and richer colors, the kind of display experience you typically associate with premium smartphones and pro-level devices. Imagine watching HDR movies, editing photos, or even gaming with ultra-smooth refresh rates on a 120Hz ProMotion OLED panel in a device this small. Apple's also rumored to reduce bezel size even further, possibly introduce new pastel color options, and reposition the front camera in landscape orientation for better video calling, something users have been asking for since the iPad Air redesign. And yes, speaking of cameras, while the iPad mini has never been known for its camera system, Apple is expected to make subtle yet meaningful improvements this time. The landscape front camera will make FaceTime and conference calls much more natural, especially when using the Mini in horizontal orientation with a keyboard case. On the back, Apple might reintroduce the LiDAR scanner, improving augmented reality experiences and enhancing compatibility with Vision OS, Apple's next big push into mixed reality. Even if AR isn't your daily go-to feature, it future-proofs the device for an ecosystem that's steadily growing around spatial computing. Another major focus for the iPad mini 8 is battery life. If Apple slightly thickens the chassis, even by a couple of millimeters, the internal space could accommodate a noticeably larger battery. Pair that with the energy efficiency of OLED and the A19 Pro chip, and users could be looking at a significant boost in endurance. Combine that with faster MagSafe wireless charging, USB-C Thunderbolt support, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3, and you've got one of the most connected portable Apple devices ever made. Of course, we can't forget Apple Pencil Pro compatibility, something nearly confirmed by multiple insiders. With its advanced haptic feedback, squeeze gestures, and enhanced precision, it transforms the Mini into a digital canvas or notebook, perfect for students, designers, and professionals who love to sketch or jot ideas on the go. As for performance expectations, early leaks indicate that the A19 Pro could deliver around a 20–25% boost in CPU and GPU efficiency compared to the A17 Pro, while consuming less power. With Apple's growing emphasis on AI-assisted workflows, users can expect lightning-fast multitasking, switching between editing 4K videos in Final Cut Pro, rendering 3D designs, or managing heavy browser tabs without lag. Even gaming experiences are about to hit new highs, as the A19 Pro's GPU architecture might support hardware-accelerated ray tracing and advanced graphics features that rival desktop-level performance. For a tablet that fits in your jacket pocket, that's simply insane. Now, when can we expect the iPad Mini 8 release date? Most credible reports suggest an October 2025 launch, following the release of the iPhone 17 lineup in September. Apple typically saves iPad announcements for a fall event or quiet press release, so the timing fits perfectly. However, if the OLED transition takes longer, a delay to early 2026 remains possible. As for pricing, insiders expect the base model to start around $599–649, depending on the configuration and region. If Apple releases a premium OLED variant later, that version could reach closer to $699 or $749. And here's where things get interesting: the ongoing fan dream of an iPad Mini Pro. It's an idea that refuses to die. Many Apple enthusiasts have long envisioned a Mini equipped with ProMotion, LiDAR, and even an M-series chip. While Apple is unlikely to blur product lines too much, the iPad Mini 8 could come incredibly close to earning that Pro label unofficially. The A19 Pro processor, the potential OLED panel, and all the rumored feature upgrades collectively push this small tablet into a new category of performance. Imagine editing videos, designing in Procreate, or multitasking with multiple AI-driven apps, all on a device that weighs less than a paperback book. However, some analysts argue that the iPad Mini's future might face challenges as foldable iPhones and foldable iPads begin to emerge. A foldable iPhone with an unfolded display size similar to the Mini's could theoretically cannibalize its audience. Yet many believe the Mini will survive because of its unique balance of affordability, form factor, and dedicated use cases. It's not meant to replace your phone or laptop. It's that perfect in-between device that excels at what foldables still struggle with: comfort, battery life, and longevity. At its core, the iPad Mini 8 represents the essence of what makes Apple's ecosystem so compelling: innovation scaled down without compromise. It's for travelers, creators, students, and professionals who want powerful performance without the bulk of a full-size tablet. The Mini 8, if the leaks are accurate, could finally be the model that fulfills the Pro-in-your-pocket dream: faster, smarter, and more connected than ever before. And with Apple continuing to refine its synergy between devices, from iCloud integration to handoff and continuity camera, the next Mini will slot seamlessly into your workflow. Whether you're editing photos on your MacBook, jotting notes on your iPad, or transferring tasks between devices with a simple tap,